I'm going to be showing you how to dribble in eFootball PC. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. The first thing you need to know is about movement. So you need to use W to move forward, you have A, S, and D to control your player. So now the key tip is to don't hold sprint all the time. Use E-sprint only when you're in open space. For close control, you need to move slowly with WASD, make small directional change, and this keeps the ball tight to your feet. So if you want to beat defenders, then you need to change your directional quickly, then sprint away. So that's basic dribbling. What you need to know about dribbling, or what a good dribbling is that it slows near defenders fast in space. And remember, don't spam skills, timing matters more, and that's it. Keep practicing and you'll get smoother every game. So that's how you dribble in eFootball PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.